Week 17. So this week I picked up that day on Monday and got out of there around like 4:20 in the morning or something ludicrous, and woke up and took my daughter to nerd breakfast at school. Congratulations for honor rolling and being impressive enough to have a breakfast just for you and your other nerd friends. Um, Later that day, after a nap, I got to do a meeting, and then after another nap, well, I hooked up the karaoke machine a little bit better, set up a better vocal effect kind of thing going on, and I'm really happy with how that turned out. Um, the rest of the week was like I had a Wednesday, had to sight in my 30-yard pin on my bow. Deer season's coming. Actually, it's here. It started yesterday, but archery season has started, and I really wanted to be drilling tacks on the 30-yard pin. And supposedly, this sight is really neat. Once you set your 20 and your 30, your 40, 50, and 60-yard pins are naturally set by math. I haven't got to test that out yet because I haven't had long enough to shoot at 40 in order to see how close and accurate that really is. But 20 and 30 yards is more than enough, and more than I'll ever shoot in the woods, because I'd rather like be within sight of 20 unless the 30-yard shot is just perfect broadside. Um, let's see. So that was my Wednesday, and then like back to work yet again on Thursday, and I did some digging in TrackLive on my spare time, and I came out with this great sample of a flute and a piano doing like a duet that was super fun to chop up, and I put it together. And once again, in that 90 to 110 BPM range. I believe this one's sitting at 108. And let me play that for you. consecutive days practicing the pads with melodics. I made it through the first 10 days of practicing keys. I'm struggling a lot with the keys. The melodics I blew through a lot of this week, but it was all stuff that I already know kind of how to play and have it wrote in my head, that tau, ta tau, tau, or whatever. And then I got to the garage, and the garage I've struggled with, but I'm getting better. And I just don't see the point of a garage beat. Well, thank you, and let's stick around till week 18 and see what this week brings. A little bit more time off, so I'll be able to focus on things in the evening, and maybe even get out and sit in a tree for a while this week. I'll talk to you later. Have a super day. Bye-bye.